Hey, what's going on everybody? It is Derpy back with another coding tutorial, and today I'll be showing you guys the basics of embeds and tables, which can store tables of like strings, member IDs and such, and just the basics of those as well. So first I'm going to start off with tables because those are, in my opinion, the easiest ones. So I'm just going to start off with those. Right? So we're gonna do another command. So that command, right? If you guys didn't know, by the way, I'm using Python. You guys can use Atom, the text editor that comes with the computer, which I highly suggest not, but some people do that. But yeah. So as you can see, we're making our command, asynchronous def. Then here, let's see what we should make it. Let's make a random word, random word command. So random word, and yes, we're just gonna grab the context, and I don't know, like this. Yeah, that should be lowercase. Random word, just like that. I don't know. Oh, it's saying I have a typo when I do not, but yeah. So we're just gonna make it random word, and yeah, so we're just gonna pass in the context, and all should be well. Now we're gonna actually want to import random. You should have this by default. You don't really have to go to pip for anything. So yeah. So let's make a table. So a table, we're gonna make it a variable. So we're gonna call it ran word, right? Random word. And then that's how we say that it's gonna be a table, right? So now I'm pretty sure I have a never mind, no I don't. I'm pretty sure I have a random word generator right here. So yeah, I just copied the words just like that. So basically what you're gonna want to do is get your words, right? Now I'm actually just gonna put these all back here. Boom. Alright, and don't worry, we're just kind of formatting this to look nice. Now you're gonna see that there's a couple of errors. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that in just a second. So yeah, just like that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put so after every word, just gonna put some commas just to indicate a new statement, right, or a new part of the table. Okay, and yeah, so we're just gonna also let's just put that right there. Okay, so now as you guys can see, it's still what's it called? An error. That's because these need to be strings. So yeah, let's just turn these into strings real quick by putting quotations outside of it, just like that. So yeah, saying the line is too long, I'm just gonna go under. Alright. So now what we do is we just I'll drop a line, and then we're gonna do a wait ttx.send, right? And then we're gonna do random.choice, right? Then we're gonna want to do random word. I can't pronounce it. Ran word. Here we go. So we're just gonna want to do it just like that. And yes, so just make sure everything's saved. Let me actually just open up Discord real quick. Let's just open that up. Alrighty, just gonna find the server real quick where we made our bot. Here it is, right? So we have Python right here, and we made our prefix a cache line, just making sure it's the right server. So now that we've done all of that, we're just gonna want to run our bot. There you go, it's logged in, no errors, right? So if we go back here and we do, and as you can see, Python's online. We do random word, right? As you can see, it just gave us a random word. So basically what it did is it went into our table and it picked a random word from our table. So as you can see, if we actually do that command again, right? As you can see, it chose a different word. You see, you can get the same word twice in a row, just like that, right? But as you can see, it just completely gives a random word from the table. So yeah, that's basically just how tables essentially work. Now, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to make a new command. Now, this is going to be for embeds, right? So client.command. Let's do asynchronous def, and then what's not async, async. Now, what should we name this? I'll name this test embed, right? So it's just gonna be a test embed. I'm gonna pass in the context, and yeah. So that's all that is good. Now what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to make a we're gonna want to define our embed, right? So we're gonna do embed equals Discord dot embed. Okay, and then we're gonna want to make the color. I'm just gonna do it like that. So yeah, we're just gonna make the color equal to the authors. ctx.author color, right? Just like that. Now, if you don't know what I mean by that, if here, let's just make a role real quick. So if we go to our server settings, roles, we make a role. I'll just name it winner, right? Blue, save changes, just like that. And I'm gonna display a role separately from online members, right? So if I give myself the owner role, as you can see, my name tag is now blue. So basically what it will do is it will make the side of the embed blue. Now you'll see what I mean by that in a second if you don't already understand it. Next, I'm gonna actually add a timestamp, just personal reference, kind of just like it. So yeah, we're gonna do timestamp equals ctx dot message dot created at, oops, and yeah, so just like that. Now what we do is we're gonna want to set the author. So embed equals, and then we're gonna not embed equals, sorry. We're gonna want to do embed dot set underscore author. All right. Now here we're just gonna define the name of the value of it. So we'll just make the name test, right? And then so that's basically kind of the title of the embed. And then maybe we can make a footer. So embed.set footer. Okay. And I'm actually gonna make this an f string called by ctx dot author. It's called by ctx dot author. Right. And then once we've done all of that, we're gonna want to make a new value. Right. And I actually forgot to set that. Give that the text value. Text equals. Right. Then we're gonna want to make a new value. We're going to want to call it icon underscore URL equals. Alright, and then we're going to make it the author of the message is avatar. ctx.author dot avatar underscore URL. Just like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, let's add a field just to show you what fields are. They're kind of like the main part, kind of. Yeah, like the thing that people mostly, you'll see what I mean. it's basically what people read. So like you make the heading of the field like rules, and then inside of there you make a rules like the rules of your server and stuff like that. Sorry if I'm stuttering a lot, but yeah. So what we're gonna want to do is we're gonna want to name the header. So name equals, right? And I'll just call it test. And then we're gonna want to set the value. So that's basically what's inside of it. I'll do it test done, right? So that's basically all we need to know about embeds. But if you guys actually run this, you're gonna notice something. It won't send. No, that's because we have to do await ctx send, right? And we're gonna want to do embed equals embed, like that. So yeah, that should be all good and dandy. It doesn't seem like we have any errors. So yeah, just make sure that's all saved. Let's turn off the bot, turn it back on. Logged in, there we go. Now if we go here, and we do, here, what did we name the command again? Test embed. Test embed, right? That did not work, let's see why. Oh, we just set underscore field. My bad. My bad. That should be add underscore field. My bad, guys. My bad. So add underscore field, just like that. Now that should all work good and dandy. I'm just gonna copy that just to quickly do the command. So just let's just try that again. There we go. So as you guys can see, it's set in embed. So as you can see, the color on the side is the color of our name. So yeah. And as you can see, it's the author. So basically that's like the title. And then here is the field. So it's kind of like a category. So the name is test, and then that's what is inside, right? And here it shows our avatar, right? And it says called by compromised dev. And then it does this little thing, and it gives the timestamp. So today at 8:53 p.m. So yeah, it's basically how to play around with embeds. In a later tutorial, I'll show you how to do more advanced things with them. Yeah, so like getting a user's data, so like making a user info command, etc. So yeah, I certainly hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and goodbye.